brand new product for review, and in today's video we are going to review another product from Herbalife Nutrition, that is the Herbalife Nutrition Afresh. So guys, this is a caffeine drink mix which is an instant energy drink mix from Herbalife, and today we are going to review this product. So this product I bought as part of my weight loss program that I'm following, and this is like a replacement for tea or coffee to give you that caffeine kick in the morning. So this is what I bought from Herbalife, which is the Herbalife Nutrition Afresh. So guys, let's get down to the review of this. So starting off with the packaging of the product, it comes in the small bottle right here. Right here we can see the Herbalife Nutrition branding on top, right here. Then here is a QR code for authenticity. You can scan it and check the authenticity of it. The name of the product is called Afresh Energy Drink Mix. There's a FSSAI license number right here. It's a proprietary food product given here. It's a pure vegetarian product, and there's information here. Here's the nutritional information. So it's a very low calorie drink mix, right? It provides for every 1 gram that you need to use only 1 gram of it. So every gram provides for just 3.52 calories, kcals of energy it will provide you. So very less calorie drink, very low calorie drink with a very high caffeine in it. So there's very little protein, 0.05 grams of protein, carbohydrates are 0.83 grams, sugar is 0.14 grams, there's no fat, caffeine is 40 milligrams, so really high in caffeine to give you that caffeine kick in the morning. Let's see the ingredients of the product. The ingredients are bulking agent, and Maltodextrin is used. There's tea powder, there's orange Pekoe extract and green tea extract used in this. There's caffeine powder here, sourced from coffee bean powder, and there's acidity regulators. Contains added flavor, nature identical flavoring substances, high caffeine, 40 mg per 160 ml of a drink. So you get 40 milligrams per 160 ml of this drink. So really high in caffeine to give you that good start in the morning. The flavor that I bought is the lemon flavor. There are other various flavors available like ginger and stuff. Also available with Herbalife, you can go for that. I prefer the lemon flavor, so I purchased the lemon flavor. Here they are given a short para about it. A fresh energy drink mix contains orange Pekoe extract, green tea extract and natural caffeine powder. Caffeine helps you feel energized, supports alertness, enjoy as a refreshing beverage at any time of the day. So this is a good beverage to start your day off with, like completely get refreshed and start before workout. You can have this. Instructions for use: users need to mix 1 gram of Afresh with 160 ml of hot or lukewarm water, hot or cold water for a refreshing drink. Replace your tea, coffee with Afresh, not to consume more than 3 servings per day. Consume not more than 500 ml per day. So it is recommended just have it once. If you all really need it, don't consume more than 3 times a day. Okay, so how to make it, I've shown you here. Like just take 1 gram of it, mix it with 160 ml of water, and your drink is ready. Store with lid tightly closed in a cool, dry place and away from sunlight. Net quantity is 50 grams, and the price of the product is 744. Yes, a bit high on the price, but it really provides a nice refreshing start to the day. So guys, so let's go ahead and prepare Afresh, an energy drink mix from Herbalife Nutrition. This is the lemon flavored one, and let's do a quick taste test of the same. Hello friends, good morning. So I have prepared the Afresh today morning, and right now I'm going to quickly do a taste test of the Afresh. So this is a lemon flavored Afresh that I have from Herbalife, and it looks like a water only, like green tea it looks like. So right now I'm quickly going to do a taste test of it, and I'm going to tell you how does it taste. So here it goes. This is a taste test of the Herbalife Afresh lemon flavor. It doesn't have much taste, it tastes like water itself, and a bit of that lemony taste to it has. So really no taste, like it tastes like water itself, but it has a lot of what they say, caffeine in it, so it actually gives you a caffeine boost. Right now my eyes were closing, but like after taking a sip, I can actually feel that energy and that freshness coming off from just one sip of this lemon flavored Afresh. So really nice way to start your mornings with Afresh here from Herbalife. So guys, this was my review about Afresh. I liked it. It doesn't taste bad like generally green teas do. This tastes exactly like water with a hint of lemon flavor to it. But it really gives you that caffeine kick that you require in the morning. So guys, if y'all like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such amazing videos.